Happy day 12. Good morning, you guys, and happy day 12. I need to start getting ready because Mama Bee and I are going to a Christmas cookie decorating class at a bakery. I actually purchased it for us, and I'm excited to do this fun activity with her. I think it's totally a Hallmark movie experience. It sounds like it. So I'm excited to go with her, even though I'm very, very tired. All right, it's minimal makeup time because I didn't have a lot of time to get ready. I was so tired. I got my Hallmark Christmas sweater on, these little bow earrings. Mama Bee's with me. She's driving.
Hello, everybody.
Don't let me forget to get your snowman later. I already forgot to give it to you
okay.
this morning. So yeah, we're gonna go to a cookie workshop for vintage Christmas looking cookies. So I'm excited. And no morning is complete when it's this early without some yummy Christmas Starbucks. Got a white peppermint mocha.
Squeezing a lot of icing out of that little tip. It's almost like the more you give it, the better. We want it to be able to smooth out on its own. So when I do that, if you can see how much icing I'm giving that, oops, that's a little too much. But I actually like to start around the edge and work my way in a circle.
Day 12. Hershey Kiss. All right, it's the puppy's turn. So we're on day 12, but we are 2 behind because I give them half usually. But today is Saturday. Ooh, another red bone. Today's Saturday, so I'm gonna let them have 1 each. Are you guys pumped? Oh, did you see Lucy licking her chops? You think you got these? You can handle this on your own? Okay, cool. She can't. I'm gonna cut this one up for her. Watching Elf. And I'm about to edit yesterday's vlog and get that up and running. But this is one movie that I have to watch every holiday season. This one, White Christmas, It's a Wonderful Life, and Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and The Grinch. I'm a little behind, I feel like, though, so I had to watch this.
It's even more adorable than the twinkle you get when you're talking about plants. And it was very obvious seeing you two together today.
I think we're gonna need more.
35 pints a day. Wow.
I am unwrapping Reese cups, all these little babies, to make peanut butter temptation cookies that are able to be stored up to 2 weeks in the fridge. So getting a head start. And I'm watching The Grinch, the Jim Carrey version. Success. Double batch of Reese's ready to go. just put the first round in the oven, 10 minutes till they're done. Hey guys, I haven't really been on camera very much today because I've been just editing and getting stuff done on the computer for most of the day, and now I'm cooking some ravioli for dinner and making the peanut butter temptations. But seriously, the cookie decorating class today was so much fun and something different that me and her have never done before, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing it. I definitely am excited to decorate cookies this year now with our new techniques here, but for now I'm going to finish off these cookies and finish off dinner. I might show you the end product, of course, and then I'm gonna start editing this vlog. So another batch is ready. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.